Hi, this is Sis Traders, and today we're going to be looking at US30. Quick recap, and then as always, we always start on a weekly time frame. We always try to check for the highs and lows of the graph. As far as you can see right here, the graph has been on an uptrend, so this is US30. Here we'll get our resistance line so that we can mark all our significant price points where the price has touched and significantly returned. But we don't have to mark too much of them. We just only have to mark the most recent ones. So here we go. We'll just mark these ones, and then we'll start to look for whether if the price has formed a chart pattern or something. As far as you can see, it's trying to form a rising wedge or something sort of like a peanut. So what will happen here is only just simple. Here we work with precision, and then we go down to the daily time frame. As far as you can see here, let me just check here. So this is first touch, second touch. So we might as well expect the third touch. As we go down to the daily time frame, we can be able to start to see that price is kind of like falling, but I can see that it has formed some sort of like liquidity, so it will come here and then decide to go down at some point. But as far as I can see a double top, which will form something like an M, and maybe go just around here. As we go to the 4-hour time frame, it's still some sort of like the same thing. That's where you can start to see that okay, there's liquidity here. You see here, I see liquidity here. See liquidity whereby there's a lot of sells and buys, so they will try to flesh it out. So once we go on our time frame, that's where we start to see that okay, so since it was just trying to sell, on bigger time frames, we can just do this now. It's just simple as that. Simple strategy, simple analysis, no dirty stuff or no a lot of work, no a lot of information. Only thing you have to do is just do this. So my prediction for US30 will be something like this. So you always aim for like 1% of the initial amount, and then the target. The target is always the biggest. So yeah, that's my prediction for US30.